Hey guys, I don't know if you have a bed partner, a mate, a girlfriend, boyfriend, wife, husband, whomever who snores, but if you do, you know it is absolutely unpleasant. Here's the thing, don't get mad, but don't ignore the snore. Join us Monday for our all-day event. We're going to give you information that lets you know whether or not your snoring is just annoying or whether or not it's something more dangerous. You can take part in this. This is really important. Take your camera with your mate's permission, push record, and record them when they're asleep and when they're snoring. Allow us to show this to our experts. We're not going to say who they are or who you are, but we're actually going to get an expert who's going to be able to read those snores to tell you whether or not, yeah, it's just annoying or whether or not it's something more sinister. And that's going to happen on Monday. Send us your, darn it, do it again. Oh, so close. Because I forgot. Click on Detroit. Sorry. For the web one, I don't have a time limit. Is that why you're looking at your watch? Oh, okay. Sorry, let's do it again. 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, so I don't know if you have a bed partner, wife, boyfriend, husband, whomever you're sleeping with, and they snore. You know it's a big problem. It's not only a big problem for your relationships, but it could be a medical problem. This is what we want you to do. This weekend, ask your partner first, but take your video camera and record them when they're sleeping and snoring. Because we're going to show it to our experts, and they're going to tell us whether or not you just have annoying snoring or whether or not you have a serious problem. Go to clickondetroit.com/snore to submit your videos. And then join us starting Sunday night at 11. We're going to walk you through this entire don't ignore the snore process. We start off where you actually get to watch a sleep study and find out how that sleep study saved that man's life and his relationship. Join us then at 6 a.m. Monday morning. That's when we really do the big kickoff. And we're going to show you the sleep study basics and tell you whether or not your insurance might pay for it. And then at 4 o'clock, oh my gosh, how snoring can truly affect relationships and not for the better. Then at 5 o'clock, we're going to take a look at equipment. Lots of stuff over the counter. What's worth buying and what's not. What works and what doesn't. And then at 6 o'clock, join us for the Don't Ignore the Snore finale, where we actually have our expert take a look at your snoring or your partner's snoring, and they will tell us whether or not it's okay, you just are annoying, or whether or not you have a serious medical problem. So don't forget, this weekend, ask the partner first, record the snoring activity, submit it at clickondetroit.com/snore, and we'll take a look at it and tell you what's going on in your bedroom on Monday. We'll see you then.